Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Luggage Racks is probably one of the most underrated bedroom accessories, especially for frequent travelers. Imagine effortlessly unpacking after a long journey, with a dedicated space for your bags, keeping your space tidy and your belongings accessible. This video will explore the top luggage racks available, helping you find the perfect blend of functionality, style, and convenience for your bedroom. Number 5. SONGMICS Foldable Luggage Rack. Welcome your guests with this convenient luggage rack. It elevates their suitcase to a comfortable height, making packing and unpacking a breeze. No more bending down to the floor. This luggage rack is designed for ultimate convenience. It doesn't take up much space, whether in use or folded. You can easily stow it under the bed or in the closet. Equipped with adjustable feet, this rack stays balanced even on uneven floors. Plus, it protects your floors from scratches. It's designed to be gentle on your home. Setting up this luggage rack is pain-free. We've included easy-to-follow instructions and an Allen key. It'll be ready to help you pack for your next trip in no time. Get a steel luggage rack perfect for guest rooms. It can accommodate various suitcase sizes. Its foldable design makes packing and organizing belongings a breeze. What we like. This luggage rack is designed for ultimate convenience. It folds flat for easy storage under the bed or in a closet. If you are looking for a space-saving solution that is also easy to assemble, you should consider this one. It's perfect for guest rooms or any bedroom where space is at a premium. What people say. Easy to put together. Easy to assemble, seem sturdy, and look nice. They hold the suitcases well, I even leaned on them and they seem sturdy enough. Number 4. Winsome Reese Luggage Rack with Storage Shelf. This is the Winsome Reese Luggage Rack, a stylish solution for any guest room or bedroom. It allows you to pack or unpack your luggage with ease and in style. No matter the size of your luggage, this rack can handle it. It's designed to provide sturdy support for all your travel bags. Crafted from solid wood, this luggage rack is built to last. The espresso finish adds a touch of elegance to any room. When not in use, it can be folded for easy storage. It's a convenient and space-saving solution for your home. You don't need to worry about complicated assembly. It comes ready to use, saving you time and effort. It measures 26.54 inches in width, 18.66 inches in depth, and 20 inches in height. It's the perfect size for any room. What we like. This luggage rack offers a touch of elegance with its solid wood construction and espresso finish. It is ready to use right out of the box. If you like a classic look and value simplicity, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your guest room. What people say. Product is durable and already assembled. Perfect for any size luggage and a place at the bottom for shoes. The rack folds up nicely, and can be stored in a closet, behind furniture, or even under a bed. Number 3. SONGMICS Luggage Rack with Fabric Storage Shelf. Make your guests stay more comfortable with this luggage rack. It keeps the luggage off the floor, making packing and unpacking for trips much easier. This helps save you or your guests from bending down to the floor. The nylon straps are fastened to the steel frame, so they will always stay in place. The suitcase stand is strong enough to hold up to 110 pounds, and the adjustable feet improve the stability and won't scratch the floor. This luggage rack conveniently folds for easy storage in smaller spaces. When folded, it's easy to store. When open, it can accommodate 22-inch, 24, or 26 suitcases. The bottom shelf keeps shoes or other items at hand while you pack. The hook and loop fastener on it lets you roll up the fabric layer to keep it neat and clean. Follow the clear instructions with the included Allen key, and you'll easily put this luggage rack together in no time. It's simple to assemble and ready to use quickly. What we like. This luggage rack features a convenient fabric storage shelf. It is also designed to be sturdy and stable, holding up to 110 pounds. If you are looking for extra storage space and a reliable luggage rack, you should consider this one. It's ideal for keeping shoes or other items organized. What people say. It was very easy to assemble. Directions were very clear. All the parts were labeled and all there. Unit is well made and looks to be very durable. It has adjustments on the legs to level it on the floor, which is quite helpful with uneven floors in an old house like ours, as you can see in the photo, or if the rack is placed halfway on the carpet and floor. The bottom canvas rack holds 2 to 3 pairs of shoes. Number 2. SONGMICS Folding Luggage Rack URLR007B01. Welcome your guests with this convenient luggage rack. It elevates their suitcase to a comfortable height, making packing and unpacking a breeze. This saves them from bending down to the floor. The natural bamboo frame and robust nylon straps provide a sturdy base. It can hold up to 110 pounds on the top and 21 pounds on the lower shelf. The classic black finish adds a touch of elegance. This luggage rack is wider than others and can hold various suitcase sizes. When not in use, it folds up compactly for easy storage in a closet or corner. It's designed for convenience. Assembly is quick and easy with the included Allen key and screws. You can set it up in minutes without any hassle. No complicated instructions are needed. The lower shelf keeps shoes and other items off the floor. The hook and loop fastener allows you to roll up the fabric layer for a neat look when folded. It's all about convenience. What we like. This luggage rack combines style and strength with its bamboo frame and wider design. It can hold up to 131 pounds and accommodate larger suitcases. If you like a luggage rack that is both stylish and functional, you should consider this one. It's perfect for those who need extra support and space. What people say. Great quality and very sturdy, excellent price. Easy to assemble and looks great in a guest room. The bonus of having another shelf for shoes or other items is very useful. Good quality. This luggage rack is lightweight but still sturdy. It is white and much more decorative than its metal tubing counterparts. We already used it to support a guest's heavy piece of luggage. Number 1. SONGMICS 2-Pack Luggage Rack, Foldable Steel Frame. Make your guests stay more comfortable with this set of luggage racks. It keeps the luggage off the floor, making packing and unpacking for trips much easier. Fastened to the steel frame, the nylon straps will always stay in place. Each stand is strong enough to hold up to 110 pounds, and the adjustable feet improve stability. Each luggage rack conveniently folds for easy storage in smaller spaces. Its standing size can accommodate most suitcases. With clear instructions and an Allen key included, you can set up these luggage racks effortlessly. It's ready to help with the packing for the next trip. You get a set of 2 steel luggage racks for guest rooms with a foldable design. It adds extra storage while being a nice touch to any room. What we like. This set includes 2 luggage racks, offering double the convenience. They are also foldable for easy storage. If you frequently host guests or need multiple luggage racks, you should consider them. They are perfect for hotels or larger guest rooms. What people say. Well built, sturdy and as pictured. They fold flat for storage, and they support our suitcases at a height comfortable for packing and unpacking. Lightweight frame, good for home, allowing your guest to have a place to open a suitcase and not lay it on clean bed linens, folds to easily store in a closet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.